Hey guys, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. Always having issues with iTunes, not detecting your iPhone, or random errors popping up all the time? In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Apple Devices app on Windows, step by step. First, go to the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Search for Apple Devices, then click on it. Hit Get, and the download will start. The download speed depends on your internet connection. Once it's installed, open Apple Devices and click Agree. And that's it, your Windows PC is now ready. Now when you connect your iPhone, you'll notice the response is much faster. And the features are almost exactly the same as iTunes, just smoother and more reliable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more iPhone tricks coming your way soon. See you next one.